Magic Phil, and I'm here with my friends Leo and Luna. We're here at their brand new Leo and Luna World at Dalma Mall, Abu Dhabi. And I'm going to take you on a very special tour of their brand new place. They've got a multimedia room, they've got a show and tune room, an amazing restaurant which sells lots of yummy food for all the boys and girls, some party rooms, can't wait to show you them, and lots of fun things that you can interact with while you're here at Leo and Luna World. I'm ready. Are you ready? Leo, Luna, you ready? Let's go! Leo and Luna are on their way now to the multimedia room. I can't wait to see them there, but I just stopped off here at the fire department. I've got a bit of time to put out some fires. Check this out. Whoa! Yes! Oh, hey! Hey, Leo, Luna, there you are. And you guys too. We're here in the multimedia room, the most interactive fun room there is here at the Leo and Luna World. So let's go. Follow me, guys. Hey! Hey, I'm super excited to explore this multimedia room. It's filled with interactive video games that you can join in with. Hey, Leo, Luna, how is it? Jump to the stars! Woohoo! Whoa! We've arrived at Robot Mysterious City. Let's go and explore. Woohoo! Check this out. Here we go. Faster, 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 faster. Woohoo! We did it! Let's go see where else we can go. Let's go. Whoa! Hey, well, that's my car fixed. Now I'm going to drive and explore some more. Come on, Leo, let's go. Woohoo!
Welcome to the princess room. Let me show you around. Oh my god, this is exciting. Look at these gorgeous dresses. I love them. Here's the hair dryer. Let's do our hair. Oh my god, what is this? Blush? Let me do some blush. Check out the amazing makeup section. Let's dance together.
This is so much fun.
Well, here we are in the show and tunes room, the perfect place to bust some moves. And you can also relax in here and watch your favorite tunes. But until then, we're going to turn this show and tunes room into a disco zone. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, hit it! Woo-hoo. Whoa, that was awesome! Let's go explore some more! Hey! Here is another one of their awesome party rooms. Check it out! Was awesome. I am exhausted. I've had so much fun. You can check out any of the Leo and Luna Park and restaurants here in the UAE, and hopefully you will have just as much fun as I have today. I can't wait to see you there. Stay silly.